హలో అండి, నేను మీ రాధిక. వెల్కమ్ టు NH9. మనందరికీ తెలిసిన విషయమే, కరోనా కారణంగా థియేటర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా టెంపరీగా క్లోజ్ అయిపోయాయి. ఇప్పుడు మూవీస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఓటీటీలోనే రిలీజ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. రీసెంట్గా ఏటీటీల హవా కూడా మొదలైంది. మన ఆర్జీవి గారు వరుసగా ఏటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో తన మూవీస్ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తూ వస్తున్నారు. రీసెంట్గా ఆగస్ట్ 14న థ్రిల్లర్ మూవీని రిలీజ్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు థ్రిల్లర్ మూవీ ఫేమ్ అప్సరా రాణి గారు. సో ఆమె గురించి మరిన్ని విషయాలు ఆమె మాటల్లోనే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హలో అప్సరా, హౌ యూ?
హాయ్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నాను, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు.
So I know little bit of Telugu, so I thought I'll use it.
సో तू केमिति अच्छू?
अरे वो बहुत भला अच्छी. How do you know Odia?
I learned this word for you.
Okay. Oh, I also learned this one for you.
Hope I spelled it correctly.
Yes.
How are you managing your corona time? How was your lockdown?
My lockdown. So I was at home for 3 months. I was cooking. I love cooking. And I was making myself fat, my mom fat, my dad fat. We all were putting on weight, but since this work has started, I'm working and I'm maintaining my diet and things like that.
You're not looking so fat.
Yeah, I lost 4 kgs already and 2 more kgs to go for dangerous. So I'm losing weight and I'm working out a lot now.
So congrats, your movie Thriller has been released, and what is the response and how do you feel?
The response is very good when people actually watch it. The most, a lot of compliments I got on my acting, and everybody liked my acting skills, and on looks I got compliments like I look very cute. So and wearing butt shorts and a ganji, I thought I'll get compliments like sexy and hot, but a lot of people are like, you look so cute. So I'm like, wow, this is a different compliment. I didn't expect this. So I'm very happy with the response.
Okay, Archie is giving you the name Apsara Rani, right? It is your real name.
Real name, yes.
Yeah, and real name is Ankita Maharana.
Ankita Rani Maharana.
So, do you know the meaning of Apsara Rani?
Yes, Apsara is angel, and he gave me this name because he believes that for him he thought Ankita doesn't suit you and Apsara suits you because he thinks I look like an Apsara, and that's why he gave me that.
Yeah, you deserve that.
Thank you.
And so your eyes lens is looking blue, so is it lens or your real eye?
Why you don't like it? Why do you want to ask beauty secrets?
It's looking beautiful. So tell us about your role in the movie.
So my role is like a normal girl. Any girl can get into a situation like that. I can get into a situation. So it's a house where I'm alone. It's a closed house, alone, and weird things are happening. So I think it can happen with anybody. Anybody can relate it, and a lot of people are loving it. So that's the basic.
Weird things in the sense, is it a horror movie?
For that you have to watch it. You've not watched it yet. It released last night.
Sorry, I didn't get time. I definitely
I
watch
want
it.
to fight with you now. But interviewing me without watching it, no, not done.
So every actor's dream is to look herself on a big screen. So your film Thriller is released on ATT platform. So how do you feel?
So I think I always live in present. So for present situation, I think even if the theaters are open, it's not safe for everybody to go. And in this pandemic and there's flood happening, because of the rain, constant rain, a lot of flood and everything is happening. So I think the situation is with a lot of tension, and it's not that great situation. And for me, my film is releasing. That is a big thing in this time. I think I'm not being very choosy. I want big theaters and things. I'm okay. I'm very happy with however it is, because I believe if in this tension, if I get to entertain people for 25 minutes, I think my work is done there. So nothing bad. Maybe when Corona is gone, then my films will release in big theaters.
Definitely. So your co-star in this film is Rock Kochi. So I know I have read in some article, he's also hailed from Odisha.
Yes.
So do you know him before Thriller movie?
So sir selected him on the basis of his muscles and everything, and I got to know him on sets, and he's also he also got this opportunity based on his hard work that he did to work on his muscles and things like that. So I just got to know him during the shoot, but we became good friends.
Okay. What is your native place in Odisha?
So my dad's native place is Bhubaneswar, Kontilo, and my mom's native place is Rourkela. But I have never lived there because my dad is in Air Force. So we used to get postings every 5 years here. So I've lived all over India. So I'm basically Indian. I've lived all over the countries.
So do you speak Oriya
Yeah.
fluently?
No, not fluently. My Odia is a little bad because I have not learnt reading and writing Odia. So I just know how to talk a little bit from my parents. Because I was, traveling in every state. So the only languages I learnt was Hindi, Sanskrit, and English. Yeah, so I don't know that well. Yeah.
What your parents do?
So my dad is in defense. He's retired now. He's an Air Force officer, and my mom, she's a housewife. She's homemaker, and she's me. She's made me. Not only given me birth, but also in my journey of being an actress. So she has learned. She owned a parlor before. She had some ladies to work for her. She had a business. But she stopped it, and I told her कि मम्मी दूसरों को भी छोड़ दो, मुझे ही सुंदर बनाओ, and मुझे मूवी में काम करना है, छोड़ दो. And she left everything, and now she's only all the time with me. And so I came here for 2 months, like before 2 months. So she's there with me for 2 months. My dad is alone in Bangalore, and my brother, he lives in London. And elder brother, he's coming back because my family, they're trying to adjust themselves according to my work. So yeah.
So where did you complete your schooling or college from?
College, I did my engineering, computer science engineering in Belgaum, which is North Karnataka. When you go on the way to Goa, it's a small town. So schooling I've done in Bangalore, Delhi,
Various places.
Yeah, everywhere.
You roamed throughout the country. So what attracted you to begin your career as an actress?
So when I was small, I used to watch, Sridevi and Madhubala and Madhuri Dixit. I was very, inspired with these heroines because they used to look so good. And Sridevi, when she used to wear the chiffon sari and dance in rain and in, this Mr. That sexy dance she does with her hair. And so I've grown up watching these. My parents, my mom, she used to select these songs for me to perform. I was always a dancer. Since 3 years old, I was a dancer. So I knew somewhere, maybe I can be an actress. And also, I've learned Kathak. I'm a Kathak dancer. So I was always interested in these, dancer heroines who are good at dancing and are actresses. So I used to tell when I was a kid, I used to tell my mom, "Mummy, मैं भी एक दिन ना TV में ऐसे आऊँगी, movies में आप देखना." But when I grew old, I understood it's not easy. It's not that easy to get here. Being from outside, of film, I didn't know anybody. But yeah, I tried and it happened.
You don't have any godfather?
No, I don't have any godfather. So I come from a defense family, and if I wanted to go into Air Force, I had a godfather who would help me. But film industry, I struggled a lot. I've had a lot of rejections. And I was waiting for one big opportunity, and now finally RGB sir gave.
Great. So how did you come here? Means, have you been into modeling before?
Yes. So I'm Miss Bangalore 2016 and Miss University India 2016.
Wow. I don't know this. Right? Great.
So I did pageants because I thought maybe I can be a model. I'm tall, and my friends motivated me. And also because in college, the fashion shows and the auditions in dance, they used to not take me. They used to put me out. I don't know, seniors, they used to put me out in audition only. So
because you are so beautiful, that's what?
I was normal
jealous.
I don't know, I was normal girl that time. I had no fashion sense. I used to wear this boys wala shoes. I used to wear this boys wala t-shirt. I didn't know how to dress up. I didn't know how to do makeup, how to do hair. So I used to look very normal, and these senior girls used to not like me. They used to make fun of me. So I used to not get a chance in college. Later I did. When I became a senior, I got a chance. But when I was junior, I never got a chance. So I thought, let me do some outside pageant like Miss Bangalore, and it happened to be that I won that, and then I won this. So I got a little confidence. Yeah, I can do something. And then I did modeling for 1 year in Bangalore. Very good and successfully I did modeling. But I felt, modeling, even though when I used to go on head of the ramp, I wanted to smile or I wanted to give an expression. They used to not let me do that. They used to be like, no, you have to be blank, because they want the outfit to be seen and not my face, right? But modeling helped me to learn fashion, what to wear with what, how to dress up, how to do makeup, how to do your hair, how to, the grooming sessions we have. So I learned fashion from modeling, and then I tried in acting.
So nice. So how did you feel when you faced the camera first time?
So first time with RGV sir, or
Your
generally?
first film, generally first.
So my first film was a fashion film, Atrei. We did it in Jodhpur. I'm wearing this 20-30 kgs of lehenga, heavy lehengas. So the first time I faced camera, I didn't know what to do basically. So I didn't know how camera works. I was looking at the camera, okay, and it is said that you cannot see directly in the lens. So I didn't know that also. So they were teaching me, and I was trying to be expressive. So I'm a Kathak dancer, so I'm very expressive and I have good expression. So somehow I did it and it went really well. Even now it comes on FTV every 2 days.
Good. So in which language you did your first film?
That is in English. That was for Dubai Fashion Week.
Okay.
Yeah, that was in my modeling days. And that was for a designer, Dubai based and Kerala based designer. So that was what I did first.
So in Telugu, your first film was 4 Letters, right? And second you did Ulala.
Yes.
So how did you get the chance in Tollywood?
So I came here for another film. So within these 20 girls, I was also one of those in the line. And the showstopper was an actor, Rahul Ravi.
Okay.
He's the Nandini serial actor. Yeah, so he saw me and he told the designer that she's beautiful and she's a little expressive. I think she can be an actress, and that's how I got a contact for a film. And I came to Hyderabad, but that film I didn't want to do because the story was not good and I didn't feel good about it. So I didn't do that film. But already I was in Hyderabad and I knew 2 casting directors. So I told them ki we can see if I can try to get more films. So then I got 4 Letters and I did 4 Letters. So it's happened, it's a long connection, something step by step happened.
Good. In Tollywood, we have so many heroines coming from Mumbai and other parts of the South India. So we don't have any heroine coming from Odisha.
Yes.
So how do you feel about it?
I actually want to talk about Telugu film industry because so one of the Kannada director, big director, he met me and he told me only if you straighten your hair, you learn Kannada in 1 week, only then I will take you in film, otherwise you go. So he's so rude and he sent me and he didn't take me. So I felt bad. But here, even though I don't know Telugu, you are interviewing me, you're cooperating with me in English.
Yes.
And so many news channels are still interested to interview me. I think here, talent and looks and all, people value a lot. And it feels really good. I felt that, because of me wearing modern clothes and those exposing pictures or whatever, how people thought it. Odisha people also were like, you are going out of culture. Even my own state, those media were also putting questions on me. But I felt here people are very different. They're very open-minded. They're very welcoming. So I want to be here. I want to settle in Hyderabad now. I want to be in Telugu industry for at least 10-15 years if I get.
So why don't we have so many heroines coming from Odisha? Is this the reason that cultural restrictions?
So my cousins, if she is after 10th, she cannot wear a jeans and a short top. She has to wear a long top with jeans. Oh. That is the level of restriction. There, women are only to be in the kitchen and to put ghungat and to touch everybody's feet and to do the housework. So basically, it's a free, घर का काम करने के लिए. Even if girls are educated there, they still get married and they still working. The husband का सारा काम कर रहे. And I never wanted that kind of life because I have lived outside. So I've seen outside. So I was never like that.
So your parents are supporting very much.
My parents are very supportive. My dad is in defense. He has always taught me कि खुद सही करो और किसी से मत डरना. पूरा दुनिया तुम सही हो तो कोई तुम्हारा कुछ बिगाड़ नहीं सकता. This is what my dad teaches me, and my mom, she has always supported me with my dancing and with my talent. So my family is very supportive. Like that is why I am here. Otherwise मैं भी कहीं शादी करके बर्तन साफ कर रही होती, I think. So because we come from this normal family, it is difficult. And I feel women, you know, यहाँ पे this patriarchy society, especially in Odisha, वहाँ पे लड़की, so I went there, I wore some shorts or something, and men literally started following me, okay, on road. And those are the men who say कि shorts पहन के लड़की गंदी है. अरे तुम क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसे यार? So hypocrite. So people need to change there. And there are a lot of talents in Odisha. Sona Mahapatra, I don't know if you've heard about her. She did a very big song in Coke Studio, Rangavati. And उसके ऊपर केस था. She had FIRs because she didn't take the copyrights. अरे appreciate her for putting a regional song on a national level. She did something great. Appreciate her rather than pulling her back. And I heard yesterday in some news channel there's a FIR on me also for hurting Hindu sentiments, for on RGV sir also and on Rock Kachi also. So that is why they are not growing, and that is why the problem is.
How did you meet RGV sir, and tell us about your first meeting?
Oh my god, first meeting, you know about the pepper spray or what?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh shit. So first day I meet him on my audio launch of a movie, and I performed there and I danced, and he liked it so much he came for 10 minutes and he sat there for 2.5 hours for the whole event. And later he told me, because I thought you will perform again, so I was waiting for you to dance. So that is when I met him first, and I went for a selfie with him when he praised, in his speech he praised my performance, and then I went for a selfie and he actually took my number. And next day when I met him, so me being an outsider, I took a pepper spray in my pocket and I told him this.
Generally you took her because it's
RGV.
Oh my god.
Got it? Yeah. No. Later, after the shoot of Thriller, when I got to know like he's actually a good person and shooting तो हो गया था ना, अभी मेरा movie तो नहीं जा रहा है. Then I told him कि sir, I want to tell you something. So you are really nice, but I didn't know that, and that's why I got a pepper spray in my pocket. And he's shocked. He's like, what? मेरे आँख में pepper spray. He's shocked. But that was the first meeting. But he was very genuine. He just called me, no hi, hello, nothing. He's like, I liked your performance. He told me the script.
Direct to the point.
Yeah, direct to the point. He told me the script, and I asked him, sir, am I doing the film? Why will I waste my time to tell you the script if you know? I'm like, okay, sir. And then I got little, I was excited. I was like, wow, he's giving me. Then I was like, sir, thank you. And then I got guts to shake my hand with him. And then my mom was also there. And so we then, after coming, then he's like, okay, fine, now go. Told me the script and sent me. So I'm thinking, I'm talking to my mom and I'm like, Mummy, सच में ऐसे ही दे दिया movie? एक dance performance देख के? But then I had a doubt till the official things didn't happen. मुझे लगा कि बोल दिया है movie दूंगा पर देंगे कि नहीं? Who knows, right? Lot of directors they say कि I'll do a film with you next month. So that never happens. So I thought he also might do something like that, but he did it. And and I'm so impressed with him as a person, not as a director. Everybody is, but as a human, he's very genuine.
He took sportively.
He took it sportively because I didn't know him, and we think like that. Girls coming from, because of the media, they say there's casting couch, me too. So I thought he will also be like that. So that is why.
Did he discuss about the duration of the film? It's a 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's a 25 minutes.
25 minutes. Duration was 25 minutes. So were you okay with that?
Yes, I was okay with anything he offers me. कुछ तो मिल रहा है तो कर लो. Like, grab that opportunity and do it. So I had that feeling.
Tell us about your work experience with RGV sir.
Very nice. He taught me how a character flow works, and how an artist gets into the character. So a lot of things he taught me, and I'm so much interested in the direction that I used to always be, sir, ye kaise hoga, ye kaise hoga. It was very good with him. Like, I'm best experience of my life.
So I'm also a big fan of RGV sir.
Yeah.
I like his frankness, and I like his
Honesty.
intelligence and his thought process especially. So, but some people are having positive opinion on him and some people are having negative opinion on him. So what is your opinion on him?
So my opinion is exactly like what you said. He is the most intelligent person I have met in my life, and I think everybody in the society needs to think like him. He thinks a woman and a man are equal, and he thinks a woman is superior to a man. Yes. So he respects women so much, and I think men who talk bad about women, she's wearing this, she's wearing that, they're actually looking at the picture 10 times and then talking bad. You know, that's the kind of mentality. So I think that has to change. And see, negative and positive ka we cannot help. There will be people thinking something else, and we think something else. So there will be different kind of people, but I really love his ideologies, most of his ideologies, and what he says, I absolutely agree to it. And I think he's one of the director who shows heroines so well on screen, and I'm very lucky that I found him, because the way he's shown me is so good. I cannot imagine something like that happening with me.
So what kind of roles you prefer, and what is your dream role?
So my dream role is this one. Two of the dream roles that I have. One is Sri Devi's this Mr. India song Kaate with that chiffon sari, and her waist looks so good. The way she's doing jhatkas. So I want to do something like that. And one is Rajesh Khanna is my favorite actor from old actors. So one song Rajesh Khanna and Zeenat Aman has done on the terrace, Bhigi Bhigi Raaton mein Bhigi Bhigi, and they're getting wet in the rain and doing romance, and it is so good, like their chemistry, and I want to do something like that. Not of that level, I don't know, cannot happen. They were legends, but something like that.
Do you watch Telugu movies?
I watched 2-3 Telugu films recently. Like recently as in 6-8 months back. I watched RX100, and I loved Payal Rajput. She has done so elegantly, such a good acting, and her performance, and she looks so beautiful. So loved her performance. And I watched this also, Arjun Reddy. Yes, and I watched Bahubali 1 too. Of course, every whole world has watched it, I think.
So you watched with subtitles, or did you understand?
Yeah, so I think there were no subtitles. I tried to understand, because I'm trying to learn Telugu also. So I watched it in Telugu. But there were subtitles, but I kind of understand 40-50% of basic words I understand.
Okay. So do you know Damshalas?
Damshalas, yeah. Like say something and act upon.
Act upon.
Yes.
So I will ask you a question. You have to tell me, with your actions. I will guess the. Yeah. Who is your favorite Tollywood actor? Yeah, Pawan Kalyan. Great.
So I know he's acting so well. Thank God someone taught me yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So who is your favorite actress in Tollywood? Ileana? No. Tamanna?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I guessed it correct. Okay.
He also guessed this. I did it well, no? So I was talking about the skin tone. She's very fair, and her waist is very beautiful.
Presently you are in Hyderabad.
Yes.
So have you tasted biryani?
So when last time I came, I had biryani. This time, because I'm in diet and I quit non-veg, it's been 2.5 months. So I'm not eating anything non-veg, but I'll try veg biryani if I'm cheating.
So you don't eat non-veg?
I used to eat. I was a hardcore non-vegetarian. I used to eat 6 to 7 days a week.
Oh.
And that all meals. But after the Kerala incident that happened, that pregnant elephant, she died. So I cried a couple of times, and then I questioned my dad कि पापा अगर उसको हम मार रहे हैं किसी और रीज़न के लिए, और हम लोग किसी बकरे को या किसी मुर्गे को मार रहे हैं खाने के लिए, तो उसको और इसको तकलीफ तो बराबर ही होता है. तो what is the difference between the murderers of that elephant and me? So my dad said you are equal, and then I was like, yeah, I feel like it's I'm a part of that murder, and I'm a part of this animal cruelty, and I cried so much and I quit non-veg.
So even I felt so many people have responded on that incidents, but in daily life we are eating chicken, mutton and fish. So
what is the point? It's being hypocrite.
Yes,
it's
exactly.
Being hypocrite. I'm killing one animal to eat because it is small in size and it is easy to kill and it is not going to be a headline. so I'm killing it, but I'm sad about the elephant. So I think I'm also like one of the murderers of elephant, and I didn't want to be one. And my mom said कि जब जागो तब सवेरा, so आज से छोड़ दो. Whatever you did, at least my condolences to that elephant would be, because she died, I would not kill any other animal.
So that incident inspired you to quit the non-veg. So permanently you're
Yes. For all my life, I'm never gonna kill any animal.
good, great. That's so nice of you.
Thank you.
So can we have a rapid fire?
Yes.
Describe about RGB in a single word.
Intelligent.
Great. And how often do you shop?
Every 1 week, 2 weeks.
So what would you like to see a guy wearing for a first date?
I think a tuxedo suit, and I want him to dress up too much, okay? I want to see efforts. I want to see efforts of dressing up, putting good perfume, putting these shiny formal shoes, and getting a rose for me, I think. Yeah. I expect a lot, and I think I deserve it, so every woman does.
Tollywood or Bollywood? Which one you prefer?
Tollywood.
Yeah, so which one do you like? Twitter, Instagram or Facebook?
Instagram, because Instagram is so much me. It has reels, it has this boomerang where I can do and be doing like this. I think it is more of me.
What is the best compliment you got?
Okay, I got it like up yesterday night from RGV sir's sister. What she said is she is a girl, 3/4 naked, but she looks like a 3-year-old baby roaming in the house and getting scared.
Yeah, really, even I felt that on screen you're looking so matured, but off screen you're looking very younger.
Yeah, because I think the character was more like a normal girl who's partying and coming from a party, things like that. So I think that is why. And she complimented me like that. She looks like a 3-year-old cute baby roaming around. So I think that's the best compliment for my life.
Okay. So I saw a post on your Twitter account or Instagram, I'm not sure, and you were pointing a gun at RGV sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So and there was a line that I will kill you if you don't thrill me
In Thriller
2. So can we expect Thriller 2?
That the director sir can say, but I warned him that you have to make, and that was a real gun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real gun?
Yeah. But non-loaded, of course.
Careful, yeah.
Non-loaded, but that was a real gun, and I thought, if I can have an opportunity of pointing a gun towards RGV, why will I not take it? Let me take it. And he will not mind it, and he will say, okay, you're cute, that's why I'm not minding it, because you're beautiful, and he will just forget it. So
What are your upcoming projects and current projects?
Thriller is released now, and Dangerous is another project. It's a lesbian crime action film. It's a lesbian love story, India's first lesbian love story.
Yes.
And after the government 377 section, we have planned, that is also directed by Ram sir, and that is my next upcoming film.
Is it on sets or it's
Yeah, it is. We have started, and I think now the promotions are there, so we have a break, and again we will start shooting now. Yeah, it is in the initial stage right now, so it will probably take, and that's a feature film, so that will take time to release. So that is my upcoming film.
So we would like to test your Telugu skills.
Okay.
And
Okay.
tell us any dialogue in Telugu.
Dialogue, I can say few like basic what I've learned. So dialogues I did yesterday. There's a video which is so good. Like there was an interviewer. He made me do dialogues of 8 superstars. So it was very good. Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, and I kind of did. So I don't remember, of course, but you can see that. But I just know basic words like Annam Tinnara and Vastunanu and Veltunanu. Vastunanu means coming. And Veltunanu means going. So I'm just in a very initial stage right now.
So can you sing a song for us?
Yes, I would love to sing a song.
Telugu song.
Telugu song, I don't know the perfect words.
Okay, whatever you're comfortable.
ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना, ए wale. Yes.
Great. It's big applause for you.
Thank you, thank you.
Sung well, really. So thank you so much for your time, Apsara.
Thank you for
And
having
I wish you very, very all success. And hope you would be getting your dream projects lined up in future.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. All the best.
Thank you.